Unlock your advertising potential with Google Ads coupons. Are you looking to kickstart your first ad campaign and save some cash? A Google Ads coupon is your ticket to free ad credits that can help you get started. What is a Google Ads coupon? A Google Ads coupon, often referred to as a promo code, rewards new advertisers with free ad credit when they meet specific spending requirements. For instance, spend $500 and you might receive another $500 in ad credits. How to get your Google Ads coupon. New account sign up. Most promo codes are designed for brand new Google Ads accounts. Google partners and hosting sites. Check out web hosts like Bluehost, GoDaddy, or Shopify. They often have great promo codes available. Google promotions. Keep an eye out for promo codes sent directly via email or through Ads by Google. Applying your promo code. Log into Google Ads. Head over to ads.google.com and sign into your account. Go to Billing. In the left-hand menu, you'll find Billing Promotions. Click there. Enter your coupon code. Paste your code into the designated area and click Apply. If it's valid, your credit will activate once you hit the spending target. Important things to remember. Coupons typically expire within 30 days after being activated. Ensure to have a new Google Ads account for eligibility. Don't forget, your promo credit is automatically applied after meeting the spending goal. Start advertising smarter today with a helpful boost from a Google Ads coupon. Get your Google Ads coupon now and elevate your advertising game.